Hi guys, a very warm welcome to my session, and today I'm going to make you understand what is the right timetable. So guys, I've seen many students, they are not able to fix their routine, not able to fix their timetable, especially in this corona outbreak or that lockdown came. So students are not able to fix their timetable. So today I'm going to explain you the right timetable that you should have. Okay guys, the first question comes that how much time should we wake up? So guys, you have already listened that line that early to bed, early to rise keeps you healthy, wealthy, and wise. So the main thing is wake up early, and that time, according to my suggestion, is 4 o'clock. Might be shocked that 4 o'clock, but guys, you have to do some efforts. Guys, you can first try 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, then come to 4 o'clock. But the right time is that only. You should not give up. And guys, if you wake up at 4 o'clock, the time you should take to sleep is 7 hours. According to me, it's 7 hours. You should not take more than that sleep. And guys, okay, you take 8 hours. Okay, let it in between. You take 7.5 hours. You take 7.5 hours to sleep. If you take 7.5 hours to sleep, you have to sleep at exact 8:30. So it will do your sleep full. And guys, if you sleep at 8:30, you need to eat your dinner 1 hour before. You should not eat your dinner and directly go to bed. You should wait for 1 hour. So for dinner, you can eat it at 7:30, 1 hour gap, and you might finish your breakfast dinner in about half an hour, and for half an hour you must stroll so that your digestion is better. And guys, if you sleep at 7:30, okay, 7:30 you do dinner, and now let us talk about the morning. See guys, if you want success, you need to be healthy. If you want to do hard work, you need to be healthy. Your mind should be healthy, but before that, you should keep your body healthy. So the main thing is to do exercise. And according to me, you're okay. First, start from 1 hour. First, exercise for 1 hour, then 2 hour, and then 3 hour. According to me, if you take my suggestion, you have to exercise for at least 3 hours. You have to. And if you okay at 4 you wake up, and you can, because guys, now you have to eat some, you have to take some energy to do exercise, so we have to take some energy, and that energy will lie in fruits. Eat about half a kg fruits, any of them, half a kg fruits at 4 o'clock. And you can't go directly to exercise, so 4 to 4:30 you can take it your fruits time, and from 4:30 to 5 o'clock you can do some your study or homework, so you can do that. And for half an hour you can study, and then 5 o'clock you can have your bath, because to fresh up yourself, so you should have a bath first. 5 to 5:15 you can have a bath, and from 5:15 to 8:15 you should exercise. This is the best time you should exercise. I recommend you should not exercise at the evening or at night. You should exercise in the morning, early morning. So 5:15 to 8:15 your exercise time, and from 8:15 you can do take a bath, because you will if you don't take a bath you will smell very badly, because your sweat will be more, and your it will kill your bad bacteria. So you should bath. And now from 8:30 you can 8:30 have a warm water, or you can also have a green tea. So you can have a green tea or you can have a warm water. And from 8:30 to 9:30, you can take a break and drink a warm water or green tea. And guys, from 9:30 to 12 to 9:30 to 3 o'clock, you should study. Not continuously, but start gradually. Okay, take a 5-minute break in every 1 hour. So not that you study continuously. It's very difficult to study continuously so much time. So you can take 5 minutes or even 10 minutes break every hour. And at 3 you can have your lunch. And 1 hour you can devote your time to lunch. And guys, don't see these things, and guys, see some inspirational things. This 1 hour, you can see how it works in space, how astronauts live in space, or some of the interesting things. So there are many interesting things available at YouTube. So see that this 1 hour. And at 4 o'clock to 7:15 or 7:30, you can again study with some breaks in between. So this is the perfect timetable that you should have, because without a timetable routine, you are nothing. Because for achieving success, you need to plan your future. Planning your day is a timetable. So timetable is very important, and it is not necessary for lifetime, but it's of beginner. Like if you are even practicing your timetable for just a month, you need not more timetable. You that timetable fixes in your mind. You just need the right routine. Okay, guys. So this is the right timetable. Not strict, not behave strict to it, but gradually you will get your timetable very perfect. So this is a perfect timetable, and don't worry, I have penned down this timetable and need to show you this timetable. Okay, so let me show my screen. So guys, this is our timetable. It is I hope it's very clear. You can take a screenshot of it. So guys, this was your timetable and my session. So this comes to our end of our session. I will soon be uploading more and more videos. So thanks for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe my channel for getting updated of my videos.